Howdy, howdy, howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the wiglet detail from the 2005 installation, Deluxe, by the artist Ellen Gallagher. Gallagher was born in Providence, Rhode Island, United States, in 1965. Here, we see a detail of Deluxe. The piece is an example of Gallagher's medium to large-scale grid-style paintings. It is comprised of an array of 60 mixed media collages, which feature the disembodied eyes and lips of Afrocentric advertisements, often featured in magazines such as Ebony and Jet. This work inspires me to look to various forms of cultural heritage for influences to my practice. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.